This is Cougar's Chic Fashion TV. Timeless style begins after 40. Enjoy the show.
Hello, fashion lovers. Today, we're exploring the fabulous world of Andressa Maciel, a true fashion icon for women over 40. With nearly 200,000 followers on her Instagram page, @Andressa Maciel, Andressa has dedicated herself to inspiring women everywhere to embrace their curves, express their personality, and discover the joy of style at any age. She shows that fashion is not about age. It's about attitude, confidence, and creativity. Andressa's philosophy begins with confidence. She believes that style is not just what you wear, but how you carry yourself, how you hold your head high, and how you feel in your own skin. For women over 40, this is particularly important. Society often tries to tell us to slow down, to tone down our choices, or to hide certain aspects of our body. But Andressa's message is the opposite. She encourages women to celebrate their curves, their shapes, and their unique beauty. She inspires her followers to highlight their favorite features and embrace clothing that makes them feel alive, powerful, and radiant. Color plays a central role in Andressa's styling. She believes that bold, vibrant colors can transform an outfit and uplift your mood. Bright reds, soft pinks, energetic yellows, or deep jewel tones can make you feel confident and radiant. But she also shows that muted, neutral tones can be just as elegant when combined with the right accessories or textures. For Andressa, fashion is a playground. Mixing colors, experimenting with patterns, and discovering what speaks to your personality is part of the joy. When it comes to building a wardrobe, Andressa stresses the importance of timeless, versatile pieces. A perfectly tailored blazer is an essential. It can instantly elevate a simple outfit and transition seamlessly from day to night. A pair of well-cut, high-rise jeans flatters your figure while offering comfort and style. Dresses, especially those that accentuate your waist or flow elegantly, are another key element. Shoes, whether they are stylish heels, classic flats, or chic boots, complete your ensemble. Fab. And accessories like scarves, belts, and statement jewelry add personality and flair. Andressa proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to look fabulous. Smart styling and creativity are what truly matter. For plus-size women, Andressa offers empowering guidance. She emphasizes clothing that highlights the waistline, creating a beautiful and balanced silhouette. Layering is another technique she uses masterfully, combining long cardigans, structured jackets, and elegant vests to create depth and style. Prints, patterns, and textures are encouraged, not avoided. They can add excitement and sophistication, making an outfit feel fresh and dynamic. Andressa also reminds her followers that comfort is just as important as style. Fashion should make you feel confident without sacrificing how you feel throughout the day. A small alteration or tailored adjustment can make all the difference, turning a basic outfit into something extraordinary. Andressa is also a master at day-to-night transitions. She shows that a simple blouse with tailored pants can be perfect for work during the day, but with a few accessories, a bold necklace, or a change of shoes, the same outfit can shine at dinner or a social event. She demonstrates that investing in versatile pieces, a midi dress, a flowing cardigan, or ankle boots, can make it easier for women to look polished, stylish, and confident no matter the occasion. Her Instagram is full of examples that make fashion feel practical, approachable, and exciting. Accessories are another vital part of Andressa's style philosophy. She loves statement earrings, layered necklaces, chic handbags, and bold shoes. Her advice is to let one accessory shine while keeping the rest simple, creating balance and sophistication. Accessories are the finishing touch that can turn a simple outfit into a show-stopping look. Andressa shows that the right accessories can not only enhance your outfit, but also express your personality and mood, allowing every woman to make a fashion statement effortlessly. Seasonal fashion is another area where Andressa excels. She emphasizes light, breathable fabrics in summer, flowy dresses, airy blouses, and playful colors that bring life to your wardrobe. In winter, she demonstrates the power of layering: coats, scarves, boots, and long cardigans that keep you warm without sacrificing style. Transitional pieces, such as a versatile jacket or ankle boots, are practical and stylish, allowing women to adapt their wardrobes seamlessly through changing seasons. Andressa shows that investing in timeless, versatile pieces ensures that fashion remains accessible, elegant, and inspiring, no matter the time of year. Andressa also shares her approach to patterns and textures. From polka dots to florals, stripes to animal prints, she shows how carefully selected patterns can enhance your natural beauty. Mixing textures, like combining soft silk with structured leather or delicate lace with chunky knits, adds depth and sophistication to your outfits. She encourages her followers to experiment with combinations, discover their personal style, and have fun with fashion. For Andressa, style is a journey, and each outfit is an opportunity to express yourself creatively. One of the most inspiring aspects of Andressa's fashion philosophy is her emphasis on self-expression. She believes that clothing is a tool to communicate your personality without saying a word. Whether it's through color, cut, pattern, or accessory, each choice reflects who you are. For women over 40, this is particularly powerful. It's a time in life when self-confidence and personal style should shine even brighter. Andressa proves that embracing fashion is about celebrating yourself, embracing your uniqueness, and finding joy in every outfit you wear. Andressa's influence extends beyond clothing. She inspires women to feel confident, to take risks, and to celebrate every curve, every age, and every stage of life. She reminds her followers that fashion is not about conforming to trends or societal expectations. It's about feeling beautiful, empowered, and authentic. Her Instagram page is filled with examples of this philosophy in action, showing women that over 40 can be the most stylish, confident, and radiant years of their lives. Finally, Andressa's message is simple but powerful. Dress for yourself. Experiment boldly with colors, textures, and patterns. Discover what makes you feel confident, radiant, and alive. Fashion is a form of self-expression, and it's never too late to find your unique style and embrace it fully. Each outfit, each accessory, and each carefully chosen detail is a reflection of your personality, confidence, and elegance. Take inspiration from Andressa Maciel and remember that your 40s, 50s, and beyond are the perfect time to shine. Celebrate your curves, explore your creativity, and wear each outfit with pride. Fashion has no age limit, and your most beautiful, confident, and stylish years are still ahead. Thank you for joining this journey through style inspiration. Be sure to follow Andressa on Instagram at Andressa Maciel for daily looks, fashion tips, and endless inspiration. Remember, confidence is timeless, beauty is ageless, and style is for everyone. Embrace your curves, celebrate yourself, and let your personal style shine every single day.
Thank you for watching Cougar's Chic Fashion TV. If today's looks inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.